Hi, my name is Andy. Finally, InWin is come back for a signature series. So right now in the market, a lot of people, they do the curved gas in the market. However, it's really hard to find a gas for this long. This gas is a 110 cm. And then if you see the people, they do the curved gas, most of people, they do the 90 degree. But actually our designer, they want to do something different. They want to do something unique. So if you see that this is a one pieces, 180 degree curved gas. So for us, we talk to the manufacturer. The time to manufacture this gas, it takes them 5 hours to just go to bend the gas. So and also, if you see that there's a button in here, after I press the button around 3 to 5 seconds, the system they can automatic close or automatic open by itself. So since this is our signature case, this is a limited edition, so we are target to manufacture around 50 pieces. However, for the pricing, we don't know about that yet. So hopefully after Computex, we can announce it on our social media.